Hi friends, welcome back to What a Home. Today we are going to discuss about 6 months old baby feeding schedule, recipes and some tips for new parents. Here I am not saying anything about the 1 to 6th month because here we should give only breast milk to the infant. Even doctors will suggest that you should not use any supplement. So don't give any supplements or cereals till 6 months. Now at the 6th month mark, your baby is ready to start experimenting vegetable pureed foods. Remember that we use foods here as a supplement. Your child's primary source of nutrition will still be infant formula or breast milk only. Most of the mothers start with cereals, oatmeal and rice for their first foods, but some skip straight to pureed vegetables, fruits and meats. Now, here comes the question, what to feed a 6 months old baby? First, remember when you start feeding your baby, you don't want to mix your breast milk with cereals. This is because most of the babies end up wasting it, so it is not a good idea to let them sample first. If they like it, then slowly add your breast milk. Breast milk mixed with cereals like oats provides a good source of iron for babies. The cereal serves as a nice transition to pureed and other finger foods as well. If you are feeding them cereals, see if they stick to one feeding for at least 2 weeks. After that, you can increase it to 2 feedings and then introduce them new foods. Here, orange and yellow vegetables are what kids go for first, but some kids prefer bananas and avocados for their first pureed finger foods. Wait for at least 3 days before giving your child a new food because that will help you pinpoint any food intolerances and allergies. Now here I am giving a list of some finger foods you can feed them. First category is fruits and vegetables. In this category we have avocado, tofu, pumpkin, banana, mashed sweet potato, beans, oranges, berries and watermelon, that too seedless. Now the second thing is non-vegetarian. Animal foods are a good source of iron, protein, amino acids and key essential nutrients. Here is the food you can add to your baby's eating schedule. That is scrambled eggs. And third one is other food items. Other food items can also add to your infant meal plan for the growth of 6th month baby. Here we go with cheese, that is plant based, butter, that too in moderation. Third one is muffins, lentil soups and yogurt. Here arises one more question, that is how much milk is enough for 6 months old baby? Generally speaking, a formula fed baby feeds for 4 to 5 times a day, while breastfeed babies will be fed 5 to 6 times a day. The key thing about sticking to a feeding guide is to make sure your child feeds satisfactorily after every meal. Being consistent with your feeding times is a good way to stay on track. Here comes one more question. What are the foods to avoid for the infant at 6th month? To be clear, here is a list of foods to avoid when they are at 6th month. Solid foods like chunks of veggies like carrots, cauliflower or any huge portions that may be a choking hazard. And second one is raw milk. Raw milk that has lactose since babies can't digest milk proteins at this age. Next comes raw honey. Raw honey because it causes infant botulism. And the next one is special varieties of fish like tuna or types that have high levels of mercury and heavy metals. And now the last one is juices. Few juices because of zero fiber and concentrated sugars. Now we will go with baby food recipe for 6 month old. First one is banana puree. Banana puree is one of the most popular 6 months old food ideas when it comes to baby's food. Be sure not to overdo it, though, since too much of banana can cause constipation. A little bit is fine and is okay for a treat. Now we will see how to prepare it. And the ingredients are ripe banana, infant formula or breast milk. The procedure is take a banana, mash it and make a puree of it. Add in a bit of breast milk or infant formula to thin down the consistency. Serve fresh. That's it. Banana puree is ready to serve, but serve freshly. It is good for infant. And the second one is avocado puree. Avocado is good in healthy plant-based fats and promotes proper brain development in kids. Children love the unique and flavorful texture of puree, which is why it is one of the top foods to give 6 months old babies. And the ingredients are organic avocado, breast milk or infant formula. Procedure: make a puree of avocado and thin the consistency by mixing the puree with breast milk or infant formula. Serve it freshly. And the third one is brown rice baby cereal. If you are looking for dinner recipe for your little one, this will be the perfect. And the ingredients are brown rice 1/4 cup, water 4 cups. Making this recipe is easy and it is also very nutritious. Here comes the procedure. Take 1/4 cup of brown rice and make it a fine powder using electric blender or mixer. Mix water in a pot and add in the rice. Bring the mix to a boil and let it simmer in low heat for 20 minutes. When it looks pureed enough, take it out, drain and let it cool a bit. Serve it to your baby. Here we go with feeding tips for new moms. Now we know the best foods for 6 months. Here comes about some feeding tips. When to feed. Aim for 2 feeds a day for breast milk or infant formula, along with pureed and solid food. They should be getting 6 meals a day in total. Start giving them solid food slowly. Waiting long to start can cause feeding problems later on. Give them solids in the morning and again during evening. If your baby cries or is famished, don't give them solids but breast milk instead. Always look for their behavioral and emotional cues prior to feeding. Experiment with finger foods for snacks and make meal times enjoyable. And now the second one is when to feed. Make sure that the baby is seated in comfortable upright. Scoop out your pureed food using spoon and gently bring it close to their mouth. See if they taste it. If they are in the mood to eat, they will eat it. Don't wait too long because they won't understand what you are doing. But push the spoon into the mouth, place it on their lips and see how they react. If they don't feel like eating, don't force it and try again later. Feeding time should be pleasant and natural. Sit down with your family members along with baby during mealtime. It's a great way to bond and encourage them to eat. Watching your 6 months baby grow into a healthy child can be a wonderful experience. Be sure to check whether they are gaining weight steadily and take time with your meal preparation and plan. By adding a variety of easily digestible food and follow simple but consistent routine, you will soon find your baby eating loads and healthy in no time.